Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I felt like a little bit of change and I wanted to show you guys how you can remove hair color, like crazy colors, in one step. This is a technique I've been using since 2017, I think. I've dyed my hair in crazy colors for 14 years now. 13 probably. So through the years I've damaged my hair so much with bleach, and I found this technique that can remove color, make your hair blonde again without actually having to bleach it. So I've only tried this on a hot pink, I've tried it on a purple, which is really hard to remove. I've never tried it on like a minty bluish green that I have now, so it's gonna be interesting to see if this will actually work. If not, I don't really have time to do anything about it, so just wish me luck, I guess. So let's begin. The technique that I found and have been using is buying these box dyes, just the lightest blonde in 10. What this will do is that it's gonna shrink the like color molecules and put new ones in. So you're basically dyeing your hair blonde, which is what has worked the best for me. So I use these, I hope 2 boxes will be enough for my hair. When I did it on my entire head once, I used 4 boxes. So because it's only half of my hair, I hope it's gonna be enough. Hello! So it's been 3 weeks since the last clip, but who's counting? Not me. Yes, I didn't dye my hair in the end. I was persuaded into keeping it for a little while longer. Then I went to England and I was at work, and then I was at my family's place. But now, today it's time to, get rid of this color. It's Monday today. I've been laying in bed watching Titans on Netflix all day. That's kind of what I'm in the mood to do for the rest of the day, but my hair won't dye itself, so let's get started. So first thing, I would make sure that my hair is brushed through. I just did my hair. I know you can't tell. So my hair is actually pretty like tangle free. Perfect. Make sure that you are wearing a t-shirt or something that you don't mind so much if it gets dye on it, because I mean, this is just, I usually lounge around in this. I'm gonna mix my dyes in a little bowl and then we can get started. I have a feeling that I didn't buy enough dye because I only have this and I have a lot of extensions, so cross your fingers for me. I'm just gonna get my own hair out of the way so I won't waste any dye on what isn't extensions. Let's begin. I also don't have a mirror in front of me, I'm just gonna use my camera, so this is gonna be very like hands-on. So again, cross your fingers for me. So basically what I do is just massage this into the parts of my hair. Ooh, this is very creamy actually. I just massage this into the parts of my hair where, oh, it's strong. I have some unwanted color, so that is obviously this part. I don't mind if there's a piece of my, oh, it makes my eyes cry. I don't really mind if there's a piece of my hair that is a little bit more pink. I'm actually crying a lot, guys. I don't remember this dye being so strong. Look, let's see. So I can't even think because like the smell is so strong and intense. Yeah, so basically what I do is just go over all of the green parts of my hair, maybe massage it a little bit up into the purple. I look like I'm cutting onions or something. Look. When I did it on pink hair, it just removed all the color in like the first minute. Oh my god, there's just hair dye everywhere. Which was kind of insane. So it turned my hair into like this ashy, sort of dark, ashy blonde. This is charming, isn't it? If this doesn't end up working, I'll probably have lost like 10 years of my life from all these like gases and chemicals. So I think what I'm gonna do when I'm done applying this dye is leave it on for around maybe 40 minutes just to see if it can do anything to the hair. I actually just received some new colors from Arctic Fox, and it's a color that I haven't really had in my entire hair before. So I would love to try that out and not having to cut my hair short or buy extensions or something like that. I don't want to jinx anything, but I can already see it lifting a little bit on the green on this side. So hopefully I'll be blonde within the next hour or so.
Many months later.
Okay guys, that's about it. I look like I've been in a war now. I'm gonna go make some pizza and I'm gonna let this sit for around 40 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out and I'm gonna show you guys what the results will be.
Tomorrow.
Hello. My hair experiment failed really bad, which is surprising because the past 2 times I've done this technique, it's worked so well. This is what my hair turned out like yesterday. It's like an ash green, so very, very unsexy. I think if I go close, you can see that where the blonde is, right up here, is where the color sort of faded to pink. This is a really nice clean blonde, but on top of that, like turquoisey blue. No, I'm so tired. I have been at work all day, but I want peach hair tomorrow. So I'm gonna give these extensions a bleach bath. It's not something I recommend doing on extensions because it really makes them a lot more damaged, but I don't want to buy new ones because they're still in like okay quality. What I do for my bleach bath are mixing like a pack of bleach, some shampoo and some conditioner. I massage that into the hair, let it sit, keep like massaging it so that the color will sort of fade out. What I'm gonna do is eat some dinner and let it sit on the hair, and then I'm gonna go back and check on it afterwards. So let's go do it.
Minutes later. Later.
Hello, I'm back. So I dyed my extensions. They are just soaking up the dye now. I'm very tired. It's been a long day, but I'm not giving up. I need to dye my hair peach now. Yes. I don't know if I mentioned, but the two colors that I'm using is Orange and Electric Paradise from Arctic Fox. I think these are both new colors, and they are like UV reactive, like neon dyes, I think. When I blow dried my extensions, this is all the hair that came out. So I wouldn't recommend doing bleach bath on your hair unless it's very necessary, but it kind of was on me. Normally I would use a brush to apply the dye on my hair, but because it's such a creamy mixture, it's not the biggest deal in the world. I can't find my hair dyeing brushes anywhere, so I'm just gonna use my fingers like I did with my extensions. Hello, this is the hair. It is very neon, a lot more neon than I thought it would be, which is it's something different. It's definitely like, I can see now why they call them like neon colors, because it kind of glows. I think especially orange, this color is like, it's very intense, but it's cute. I think it's gonna take a little bit of getting used to. I thought it would be a little bit more like a soft sort of peach, and it's very like neon peachy. What do you guys think of this color? Do you like it, or is it like too intense? I think it's gonna look good when I self tan a little bit, so I'm gonna do that tonight when I come home from work. I'm just gonna put in some curls. This is my Remington curling wand. I don't know how big it is, but this is the one I always use to create my mermaid curls. Okay, there we go. I think it looks a little bit better now that it's curled. I think it adds a little bit of like softness to this very intense color. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like this color? Do you prefer my cold colors like pinks and purples? I think, as I said, it will take a little bit of time to get used to this because it's so different from what I normally have, but I do think it looks quite nice. I'm just gonna quickly snap some Instagram photos and then I'm gonna head to work. I also need to change into a red lipstick. So thank you guys for going with me on this hair adventure. This is the final results. It's always interesting to do these like experiments to see what you end up with. I do think I ended up with what I kind of expected, but it's still like, it's just surprising to me. I think it actually looks a little bit better on camera than it does in real life. And there are also a few places that I need to sort of dye again if I want it to be fully like opaque everywhere. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you can also go follow me on Instagram. See you guys soon. I love you and thank you for watching.